It is lightweight, iconic, and arguably the most reliable piece of tech you can own for under $20. While modern smartwatches struggle to last a single day on a charge, this legend has been quietly dominating the industry for decades. This is the Casio F91W, a masterclass in functional design. First thing first, the build quality and ergonomics crafted entirely from high-grade durable resin. This watch is engineered for comfort. It is so incredibly light, you will generally forget it is on your wrist until the moment you need it. It represents the ultimate set it and forget it accessory, fitting perfectly under a shirt cuff or surviving a rugged day outdoors. Don't let the minimalist retro aesthetic fool you into thinking it is basic. It is packed with every essential tool you actually need for daily life. You get a 1 over 100-second digital stopwatch for precision timing to keep your schedule on track, and a highly accurate auto calendar that ensures you never have to double check the date. When the sun goes down, the built-in LED light provides just enough glow to check the time in total darkness. When we talk about durability, the F91W is a league of its own. It is rated as water resistant, which means it easily handles rain, heavy splashes, and occasionally accidental dip. While it is not designed for deep sea, while it is not designed for deep sea diving or long showers, its resilience against the elements is well documented. But the real standout feature, the one that puts modern electronics to shame, is the power efficiency. Running on a single CR2016 battery, this watch offers approximately 7 years of continuous life. That is nearly a decade of reliable timekeeping without ever needing a charger. Versatility is where this watch truly shines. Whether you prefer the standard 12-hour display or the 24-hour military format, the interface is intuitive and adapts to your specific preference instantly. It is a design that has remained virtually unchanged since 1989 because the formula was perfect from day one. It transcends fashion trends, looking just as at home in a high-tech lab as it does on a hiking trail. Reliable, functional, and legendary, the Casio F91W is not just a watch. It's a statement that great engineering does not have to be expensive. Is this the greatest budget-friendly watch ever produced? Let us know your thought in the comments below.